Haircuts are not universally applicable like clothing. However, after receiving criticism from your coworkers all day, you can't take off your bad haircut like you can your clothes. The best haircut for your face shape should be known before having your hair cut, for this reason. After all, a few additional inches here or a few stray hairs on your face there can make a big difference. Please remember to hit the bell symbol, like, share, and subscribe before the video even starts. Haircuts for round face. Number 1. A haircut that adds some definition to a round face shape is beneficial since it is round with a rounded chin and no noticeable lines or angles. Consider one of these hairstyles to fit your face, whether you have some extra baby fat and are searching for haircuts for chubby faces or your face simply lacks angles. Think square if you have a round face, advises Stevens. Since round faces lack any significant natural angles, you must use your hair to provide the appearance of structure. Front fringes and styles with height on top and tight sides, like a pompadour or a flat top, are good for adding structure. Square corners in the high recession area of your hair will sharpen up any soft edges, continues Robinson. A full square beard will also aid to chisel the jaw's appearance by thinning the area around the chin. 2. Long faces and haircuts. Long faces, which are categorized as either rectangular or oblong face shapes and fall somewhere between an oval and a square, need to have their hairstyles gradually altered to prevent them from looking longer than they already are. In order to avoid emphasizing the length of the face, Nicolau advises against taking the sides of a rectangular face too short while maintaining length on the top. Try a well-proportioned style that doesn't take the sides too short or leave too much length on the top. In order to enhance width and prevent your face from appearing narrower than it is, adopt a style that allows the hair to fall to the sides or across the forehead. Robinson also advises against wearing a pair with a Duck Dynasty beard. Try facial hair that fluctuates in length from stubble to a short beard to fill out any gaps rather than a full beard, which just lengthens the face. 3. Oval face haircuts. Though considered the genetic lottery for women, an oval face shape is a good canvas for experimentation when it comes to men's haircuts, even though it may not be the most alpha of facial shapes for males. You lucky lad. The choice is all yours because an oval face shape complements nearly any hairstyle effectively due to its symmetry and proportion. However, there are a few tiny exceptions to make sure you maximize your ovalness. According to Aveda master barber Stelios Nicolau, the trick with an oval face shape is to wear your hair off the forehead to create some volume and angles on top. The most appropriate cut is a traditional side-swept parting with a short back and sides and somewhat longer top. Additionally, you should avoid a forward fringe. According to famous hairstylist Jamie Stevens, excessive heaviness on the forehead softens features and makes the face appear more round. Dennis Robinson, the creative director of Ruffians, also encourages you to remove your beard. Feel free to go clean-shaven since you won't need facial hair to cover any disproportionate gaps in this case. 4. Square face haircuts. A square facial shape, which is regarded as the manly ideal, is distinguished by a razor-sharp jawline, even proportions, and a generally chiseled appearance. Similar to the oval, it serves as a wonderful base for the majority of styles and is adaptable enough to work with buzz cuts, French crops, and quiffs as well as longer hairstyles. Just keep in mind that the shorter you go, the more recently conscripted you appear to be. Not that it won't benefit you in some way. 5. Haircuts for faceshapes with hearts. The quite uncommon, heart-shaped face is wide at the temples and hairline and gradually gets narrower until it comes to a point at the chin. It takes advantage of a few optical tricks to appear more proportionate. Avoid too tight cuts, advises Stevens, since they will draw attention to the width of the forehead and the narrowness of the chin. The best bet is a medium-length swept look. The powerful forehead of the heart shape is softened by mid-length and long haircuts that are kept reasonably thin and light. According to Robinson, facial hair is especially crucial in this situation since it gives a thin chin and jawline some much-needed thickness. As with the diamond facial form, a beard adds fullness to the lower, narrower half of the head in the heart shape. 6. Haircuts for face styles like diamond. The diamond face shape is one of the more uncommon male face types. It is narrow in the chin and brow and wide in the cheeks. It has several specialized needs as a result to make sure it resembles its namesake. Your best strategy, according to Stevens, is to wear hairstyles that widen the area around the forehead and chin. Longer styles that can be tucked behind the ears are excellent for emphasizing the bone structure of a diamond shape, while fringes work well to bring texture to the forehead. However, avoid cutting the sides of your hair too short because this will simply make your ears appear larger due to the width of your cheekbones. For this face shape, softer lines and layers work best since they help to soften the natural angles. If you want to add some size to a smaller chin, try a side sweep or deep side part. You might also think about cultivating a 5 o'clock shadow. 7. Haircuts for faces in a triangle. A triangle-shaped face needs to be treated differently than a heart-shaped face because of its small forehead and wide jawline. A style with volume is king with this one, claims Stevens. Choose sides that are broader and longer, nose-length haircuts since they create depth. The most you can grow out your beard and still look attractive is some light stubble. But honestly, it's preferable to stay clean-shaven in this situation considering how prominent the jawline is. Guys, grab the razor. Like, share, subscribe and comment.